Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on privacy protection. Now let's scroll down a little and tap on special permissions, and here we have to find install unknown apps. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, just find the option, the app you want to allow to install some content, and tap on it. For example, this one. Simply tap on it and tap on this switcher here. Here we've got the warning that third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so they might cause some problems with your device, so you're doing it on your own responsibility. So if you are ready, tap on accept right here, and as you can see, the switcher is on. Let's get back, and it is notified here that from this moment this app will be allowed to install some content. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping on the app and choosing this switcher again. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on this app is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.